Good morning to all. Welcome in your English online class. Yes, today we are going to do worksheet number 3 related to past continuous tense. So let us proceed. We know that in this tense we make use of subject was verb plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Yes students, the applicability of was and were depends upon the subject. If the subject is singular, we use was, and if the subject is plural, we will go with were. So let us do a man dash in the river. In bracket we are having bath. Now we see the subject is singular, so we will go with a man was bathing. A man was bathing in the river. At number 2, the plane dash on the airport. In bracket we are having land. Now the plane is again singular subject. The plane was landing on the airport. Next is dash the peacocks dash in the rain, sign of question mark. It means the sentence is in interrogative form and the action word is dance. So what do we do? Now we see that the subject is plural, so we will go with were the peacocks dancing in the rain. क्या जो है मोर रेन में डांस कर रहे थे. नेक्स्ट इज फार्मर्स डैश द फील्ड लास्ट इवनिंग प्लो. फार्मर्स. नाउ अगेन द सब्जेक्ट इज प्लूरल, सो वी विल गो विथ वर. फार्मर्स वर प्लोइंग the fields last evening. Next is he dashed to explain the reason of his absence. In bracket we are having action word go. He singular subject, so we will go with he was going to explain the reason of his absence. वो अपनी absence का reason बताने जा रहा था. And next is number 6. We are having dash you dash to make me feel dry. Now we see that here we are having subject you, it is plural. So what do? We will go with were. Were you trying to make me fool? क्या तुम मुझे मूर्ख बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे? अच्छा नंबर 7, dash his father dash on a new project. In bracket we are having action word work. Now his father is a singular subject, so we will go with was his father working on a new project. क्या उसके पिताजी नए प्रोजेक्ट पर काम कर रहे थे? नेक्स्ट इज आई डैश द न्यू मूवी. इन ब्रैकेट वी आर हैविंग एडमायर, सो आई विद आई टोल्ड यू वी विल गो विद वॉज. आई वॉज admiring the new movie. Students, keep it in mind. Again I am reminding you that when you have to add ing and in verb you are having e letter at the last place, it will be omitted and only ing will be added. Next is my sister dash for speech the previous day. कहता है कि मेरी जो बहन है ना वो पिछले दिन स्पीच के लिए रिहर्सल कर रही थी. Now my sister is singular, so we will go was. My sister was rehearsing My sister was rehearsing for speech the previous day. At number 10, we are having my cousin's dash in New Delhi. In bracket, we are having action word live. My cousins. Now the subject is plural in form. So we will go with my cousins were living. My cousins were living in New Delhi. मेरे cousins कहता है न्यू दिल्ली में रह रहे थे. This was your worksheet number 3. I hope you are having good command on past continuous tense. Thank you students. Good.